What if the very fabric of democracy was tested in a courtroom? Imagine a scenario where every accusation, every defense unfolds not just before a jury, but before an entire nation. This isn't just any trial, this is the Trump trial, an event that gripped America and reverberated around the world. The saga began in earnest when charges were brought against former President Donald Trump, accusing him of criminal election interference during the 2016 presidential election. The heart of the matter? Allegations that involved the suppression of negative stories and the dissemination of false information about Trump's rivals. Initially, these charges were dismissed by some experts as trivial, rooted in untested legal theories. Yet, as the trial unfolded, perceptions shifted dramatically. Key to this shift was the strategy employed by Manhattan prosecutors. They didn't just present a case, they told a story that painted a picture of a conspiracy at the highest levels of power, aimed at manipulating public opinion and, ultimately, the election itself. The evidence was compelling and meticulously presented, transforming what could have been a dry examination of bookkeeping discrepancies into a riveting narrative of deceit and manipulation. The turning point came when the defense took the stage. They faced a Herculean task, dismantling a narrative that had been carefully constructed and supported by a mountain of evidence. The defense argued that the charges were politically motivated, an attempt to use the legal system against a former president. However, the jury was unconvinced. Their decision came swiftly, a testament to the strength of the case presented by the prosecutors. In the end, the trial concluded with a verdict that resonated far beyond the confines of the courtroom. It wasn't merely a judgment against a former president. It was a statement about the limits of power and the resilience of judicial processes in America. The trial underscored the principle that no one, not even a president, is above the law. The implications of the Trump trial are vast and varied. It has set a precedent, perhaps a cautionary tale, about the consequences of wielding power irresponsibly. It has sparked discussions about the integrity of elections, the role of the judiciary, and the checks and balances that underpin American democracy. As the dust settles, one thing remains clear. This trial was more than a legal battle. It was a litmus test for American democracy. And perhaps, just perhaps, it has reaffirmed a fundamental truth. In America, the truth still has the power to hold the powerful accountable.